Okay, so today we want to check out some food, and I have a sample here. And a few weeks ago, a lady, when I was shopping at Aldi, told me about an app she was using. The app is called Yuka. And with that app, you can actually scan the barcode of the food you are buying. And then it actually tells you the ingredients of that. And it also tells you if it's healthy or not. And I guess it's calculating this, how many carbs, how many fat, good fat, bad fat, blah, blah, blah. Now we're gonna scan all these and then let's just see how that works. Okay, so now we're gonna use the app. And as you can see with the app, you just scan the barcode. Let's start with these Wiener sausages. And you see they are pretty bad, and you see they have a lot of additives, fat and stuff. And let's go on to a yogurt, which is pretty good. Let's just check another thing. And you can see here, it's pretty easy. Just scan the barcode and then it shows here, you see everything is green. And let's just go to a cheese here. And you see the cheese is not good at all. Let's just go back to the Gouda and swipe up. So you see it has additives, saturated fat, and a lot of sodium, which is a lot in US food, unfortunately. And the yogurt, you see it's 69 out of 100, so that's good to go. And then, of course, this one, it's 84 of 100, so Trader Joe's has a lot of good food, and you see everything is fine here. And then next food, it's a vegan food, should be good, and you see it's good here, has some additives, but not bad ones. And then the last one, that water here, which is pretty bad, and you see right now it has a lot of additives, and some of them you see in the red point are actually pretty bad for your health.